How are we doing? Now, if it looks like my t-shirt's creased, it is. It's one of my sluggy t-shirts that I lounge about in because it's one of them days. Shitty outside, weather's shocking. So I want a bit of comfort food, which is one of my little Thai go-tos. I'm going to simplify it. It's satay chicken with green beans. Satay chicken with green beans and cabbage, shredded cabbage. And the reason why I put the shredded cabbage on, you'll see why, because I like to soak things up. But anyway, greetings everyone, greetings. It's been a great week, to say the least, as in non-stop busy, as in mental, as in you name it. Me nutrition company, JT Nutrition, I thought I was having like, not a break from it, but you know, slows down and then all of a sudden, boom, shakalaka, away we go. But anyway, enough of me. Let's get to work. So first of all, we're going to be doing satay chicken. Now I'm going to do it from scratch with what herbs and spices I like and an easy sauce. And when you say easy sauce, you'll see. However, from my mate's shop, Jack's, you can get this. This is satay seasoning. Now, I don't go for packet shit because you don't know what's in it, but the Thai packet stuff, pretty good. So, all you need with this, let me show you, and it's pretty good. So, I mean, you know, if you're starting off and, you know, you're not sure, you don't want to buy this, then get that one, because as you can see, there's Thai writing on the top of it. You get 2 little packets in it. One of them's a seasoning for the chicken, and that one you put in a pan with coconut milk for the sauce. So simple. But I'm going to do it my way. So let's go through the ingredients. Okay. Obviously, chicken. I've got chicken thighs here because I love the chicken thighs. You know, I find the breasts a bit dry and yeah, anyway, I love chicken thighs, but you want to use breast, use breast. You want to use bit pork, use pork. You want to steak, whatever you want. Whatever. King prawns, really good. On the skewers, satay seasoning, good to go. But I'm doing chicken. We've got, let me get rid of this. Right, so we've got chicken. We've got shredded cabbage, which will show you the reason behind that. I put the satay chicken on top of it and the juice is soaking into the cabbage and it's delicious with the sauce. The seasoning, I only use 3. Turmeric, garlic salt, onion salt. That's it. Just them 3. That's it. The sauce, now this is even 3 as well. 3. Coconut milk, crunchy peanut butter. And this, again, is a Thai chili sauce. It's quite a watery sauce, this. It's not like a big thick sauce because it's natural. And I get this from my mate's shop, Jack. I get it from his shop. But you can use sriracha or the other chili sauces, no problem. But I like this one. I like this one, especially for the satay sauce. So let's move on. Now, I'm going to use gloves with this. Simple reason, turmeric. Honestly, it just stains your hands. So you see a bit of powder coming off these. I put some talcum powder in them. But I'm going to use the gloves so it doesn't stain. So in a dish, normal dish, sprinkle in, I'd say half a teaspoon. That can be a strong flavour. Again, half a teaspoon. Half a teaspoon on average. Now this, don't forget, this is garlic, onion, salt. You don't need anything else. That's it done, right? Now this is for 2 chicken, but there's about 3-4 chicken fillets on each skewer. So I mean, it's quite a decent sized meal. Now what I do is, when I get the seasoning, I put a little sprinkle of coconut milk in it. Just as, when I say sprinkle, just to weigh it down. And this is the reason why I put my gloves on. See? Get your hands in there, don't mess around. Now let's get to the chicken. So as you can see, I've sliced it lengthways, and they are mother of skewers, aren't they? Do you know what I mean? So put them in. Now, a good tip is, do them skews the night before, yeah? In the marinade, spin them over, give them a good soaking, night before. So when you come in from work, and you're moaning, I'm tired, innit? They're already done, ready to go. No excuse. So, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to do them straight from here, straight in the pan and get them going. But they will benefit from a night in that marinade. They'll soak it all up beautiful. They'll soak it all up beautiful. I mean, look at that. Yes. So anyway, I put them in a griddle pan. I'd say about gas mark or whatever mark you want to call it, 8. 8, just to get that safe. Can turn them down. I dare take these gloves off now because I've got to turn them over in a minute, so 1 second. But it's kind of like the hard work's done. Let me just clean the stems, not the stems, you know, the end of the skewer on it. And yeah, I'm going to take the gloves off. So you see powder, it's because I put talcum powder in so I can get them on. Give the talcum a good rub. Now, that's it. Chicken's on. Let's get to the sauce. Now this is so simple. So simple, right? Peanut butter. Cruncher, so you get the, I'd say, how much was that? About half a cup of it, maybe more. Same amount of coconut milk. Do you know, I've not even got the pan on. See what I mean? See how thick it can be at times. Anyway, same amount of coconut milk. This is a light coconut milk, so you can pour it. Some of the coconut milks you get, they can set and it can be a bit heavy, a little bit thick. So equal amounts, coconut milk, crunchy peanut butter. You can get organic peanut butter if you want, but you know what I mean, that's entirely up to you. Let me spin these over. Now as you can see straight away, the caramelisation is taken. I'm going to get our Mickey on it. The caramelisation is taken, yeah? So straight away, that colour is flavour. Flavour. So, I've got some green beans here, I'm going to go into them in a minute. Right, so, about half a teacup of each. And then this sauce. Now look how liquidy it is. You've got to be careful, see what I mean? Now that, about a tablespoon of chilli sauce. That's going to give it some beautiful flavour. So get it on the back burner, get that going, give it a spin, let it simmer. Don't let it cook out too much and reduce, because the more it cooks out, the thicker it goes, and then it goes into a bit of a stodgy sauce, and you don't want that. So all you want to do is melt the peanut butter in it, stir it through, and it's a nice sauce. Boom, done. Let me grab a pan. I always forget something. I always forget something. Right, let's get a pan. Get a pan on. Now the green beans, now this is on the go, lovely. Straight away. See it splash then? Straight away, it's coming together. Green beans, coconut oil. Teaspoon of coconut oil. And get that on the go, and we're going to stir fry the green beans in it. Gives it a lovely flavour. Now the sauce is now, the coconut milk's on the bubble. You've just got to break down the peanut butter. There we go, see? Oh, it's gone everywhere. Just break down the peanut butter. Now at this point, you can start adding. Taste it. You want more chilli? More chilli. You want it thinner, more coconut milk. I want this a little bit more thinner. So, another couple more tablespoons of coconut milk. And that's it. That's it done. That's it done. So, as you can see the crunchy peanuts in the sauce. This is a delicious sauce. Now, me being a newfound chilli addict, I'm going to give it another little lick of that because I can eat chilli again. I probably told you on the other video. It's like my newfound best friend is chilli. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. And it shows that I'm healing from all the shit I've been through with the cancer and the radiotherapy and you name it, and I'm healing. So anyway, green beans. Bit of coconut oil on. Bring the pan up to, I'd say, again 8, not full pelt, just about an 8. Keep your eye on the chicken. This is smelling delicious, by the way. And there we, oh man, look at that bad boy. I mean, you know, come on. You know, 3 ingredients makes that. Well, 4 including the chicken. Do you know what I mean? You don't need salt because it's only salt, garlic salt. Turmeric, the smells of it. Fantastic. So anyway, back to the green beans. We've got some coconut oil. These green beans, as you can see, the steam's still coming off them. They're parboiled, yeah? So they're parboiled, but what I want to do is I want to stir fry them a little bit in the coconut oil. Because it just gives them a nice flavour, do you know what I mean? It just gives them a really nice flavour. Excuse me, need a drink. So even though I can have chilli, my saliva glands are still in pieces, but hey ho, can't have everything now, can you? So this is more or less it as a dish. Now, anyone who says cooking is hard, cooking is as hard as you make it, right? If you don't want to use these ingredients I've done, find your Chinese supermarket, your Thai supermarket, buy a packet, start off like that, right? Then move on to this, yeah? Now, as you can see, it's not hard. Now, I'm doing this. This is more satay chicken with vegetables. If you want rice, go for your life. Me, I prefer it like this, and you'll see why. So, we've got a plate. We've got the green beans on the go. By the way, the t-shirt. Any of yous that was born in the 70s, stroke 80s, like me, will know this film. Best film in the world. Don't know how many times I've seen it. Now, if I'm going to wear a t-shirt, like I wore my Sons of Anarchy t-shirt, and everyone, oh, where'd you get that? Oh, I love the t-shirt, Sons of Anarchy, because it's my favourite programme. This is my favourite film of all time, The Warriors. Best film. Best film. You know what I mean? So if you've not seen it, watch it. You'll love it. It's about gangs in the, I think it was made in 1979. Walter Hill directed it. And the music's fantastic. The film itself's fantastic. It was made on like a low budget, like Reservoir Dogs was made on a low budget but went massive. Same thing. From what I heard as well, I think it bombed at the cinema but then went mental on DVDs. Oh my god. I'm showing my age. Badly. It was actually one of the first DVDs I've seen, The Warriors. Now, as you see, anyway, back to the cooking. Warriors, favourite film. I'm going to slug around all day and eat this food. So, anyway, look, starting to colour. Let me pick one out. And don't try this at home by picking it. Like, I got chef's hands. See it starting to colour? In coconut oil. Fantastic. Back to business. We've got this cabbage. Now, what I like, once I've sliced it, I break it down a little bit and then I put that along the plate. I put that along the plate. The simple reason is that this, when you put the chicken on top of it, the chicken rests, all the juices of the chicken go into the cabbage. Why wouldn't you? Why wouldn't it? In fact, I'm going to serve this a little bit different. I'm going to serve it this way, this time. I mean, when all the juices off the chicken and everything else start going into the cabbage and it soaks in and that bit of peanut sauce, when you, oh man, no. And again, I found that out when I was away, whereas a lot of people don't eat it. Oh, it's just a garnish, you're not eating that. No, it's there for a reason over there. Where you know what I mean? So, anyway. let's get back to business. Check that. Who wouldn't want to eat that? Really? Let me just check it. I'm going to give it a couple more minutes. So you're going to have to put up with it for a couple more minutes. I can get things together. So, but this chicken, the smells are delicious. The peanut sauce is addictive because it's sweet, it's spicy, it's creamy, it goes great with the chicken. The green beans. Now you can put garlic in the green beans, but there's already garlic in this. So I just like the coconut oil and the green beans. Then you get a nice section of them on your plate. Now, the chicken itself, oh, the smells. Oh my God. The chicken itself, I'd say, is ready to go. So you pull this off and put it like that. Like that. Now what I do like to do, let's get rid of this. Let's get it up here so you can see. Mickey, home in on this please if you don't mind. So what I do like to do is the sauce that's left, just drizzle it along the top. And the same as underneath, just let it soak in, drizzle it along the top. Now let that soak in. Now you can put chives and other bits and pieces on it and things like that, but as a midweek tea, see that? See that? That's magical. That is fantastic. It's flavour, there's health benefits, there's everything going on with it. So make that, get Warriors on and have a nice evening. You want to pour wine. You want to drink beer. Enjoy your life, but cook proper food. That's all I ask. Anyway, I'll catch you again. Short and sweet this one, because Thai food is, if you know what you're doing. Yeah, I'll catch you all again. I'm going to do dessert next time. A dessert. Thai one, obviously, because I'm down the Thai route now. Love it. So, listen, be good to yourselves. Take care, and I'll catch you on the next one.